Hi, this is Not Too Fast here. In today's video, I will be replacing a broken fog light on my 2008 Honda Odyssey. If you look on the passenger side, you'll see the front lens is all cracked. Now, as for replacement, you can buy original factory Honda part, but one fog light from Honda is going to be over $100, very expensive. I'm going to replace it with aftermarket fog lights that has the OEM look. Now, if you look online, either on eBay or Amazon, for the aftermarket replacement for a 2008 Honda Odyssey, it's going to cost around $80 to $90 for the pair. But interestingly, this same fog light is used on a 2008 to 2010 Honda Accord two-door coupe. And when you look online for the replacement aftermarket fog lights, they run about $40 to $50, almost half the price. So let's first remove this broken fog light. It's held in by a single Phillips screw right here. Disconnect the connector to the fog light. Now I have LED lights installed, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this. And here's a fog light kit for the 2008 to 2010 Honda Accord two-door coupe. Here's one of the fog lights. Now we will not be using the bracket. This bracket is for the Honda Accord. We're going to take this fog light out of the bracket and install it onto the Honda Odyssey. So here's one fog light. Here's the other one. And it also comes with a wiring harness. It's a complete kit, but obviously we don't need this. Here's a side-by-side look of the two fog lights. To remove the fog light from this Honda Odyssey bezel, remove the two screws on the side. Next, we'll need to remove the three screws, one here, and one here, to remove the metal bracket. To remove this screw, we'll need to remove this vertical adjustment screw right here. I'm going to go ahead and mark where it currently is, and I'll return it to the same position later on. Now repeat the same procedure for the replacement one. And again, here's a side-by-side look. Now we'll install the replacement fog light onto the Odyssey bracket. Now we need to use the screws that came with the replacement fog lights. Now we'll put the adjustment screw back to where it was. Install the fog light assembly back onto the bezel. It's time to reinstall the fog light. Here's a look with both fog lights on. Now I only replaced the passenger side, the driver's side is still the original one. Now what I showed you in this video is me taking the economical route. There are many options you have when replacing fog lights. One is you can go with the original OEM manufacturer fog light. It costs a bit more money. The other option is to get a used OEM part off eBay, and that will usually save you some money compared to buying a new OEM part. The third option is to see if there are aftermarket fog lights for your vehicle. Now keep in mind, with aftermarket parts, the quality may not be as good as the original factory one, but you do save a lot of money. Also get familiar with the parts that can be interchangeable between models from the same manufacturer. Often the manufacturer will use the same part for different vehicles in their lineup, and many times, depending on which model of the vehicle, the prices will vary, just like the price differences between the Honda Accord fog light and the Honda Odyssey fog light. At the end, the choice is up to you, but I hope I've given you enough information for you to replace your own fog light on your vehicle. Now, these aftermarket Honda Accord fog lights can be found on eBay or Amazon. I'll include the link in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comment section, and don't forget to click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.